If you haven't heard the good news, MoKnowsHair collection is back and on sale now. After a year and a half of research and development with my Black woman chemist and manufacturer, each formula has been enhanced and reimagined for optimal performance, and I know you all are going to love them. In this video, I am going to show you my new wash and go routine and compare each product so you can understand and see the tremendous effort I put into getting these back and better for you. I am using sample sets here, which is why they aren't labeled. The products are currently in production and will be coming to you fresh off the line, real time. Please, please, please read the description box below this video for details on ordering, shipping, and everything else that you'll have a question about. The foundation of the collection are the cleansers and conditioners. These 4 products are responsible for making sure your scalp and hair are at their optimal health to help you elevate your regimen and get the results you want. Like the first collection, you will have a scalp clarifier, hydrating shampoo, co-wash, and a deep treatment. Each of these have been enhanced to make them more efficient and effective. They will feel very familiar to you, but the difference in the health of your hair will definitely be noticeable. Let's take a closer look. The new scalp clarifier is made with a boost of salicylic acid to gently exfoliate, unclog follicles, and remove dead skin cells to minimize dandruff and reduce dermatitis and psoriasis symptoms. It also has sea kelp to strengthen hair and increase scalp circulation, and Indian winter cherry to prevent hair loss and damage. This clarifier is specifically formulated to remove product buildup and outside pollutants so you can have a clean, clear, balanced scalp. This is where healthy growth starts. You cannot have healthy hair without a healthy scalp. As you apply this before washing, you will feel a cool, soothing sensation just like before, but with more lathering power so you can use less. And it has a new soft, beautiful scent of fresh linen, rose, and sandalwood. The new co-wash is a rich, creamy cleanser that has the benefits of a shampoo and conditioner in one product. It is formulated to remove light buildup from your scalp and hair and reduce friction for less breakage during detangling, all while softening and hydrating. It has Abyssinian oil to increase manageability, shine, and strength, avocado oil to penetrate the hair shaft for increased conditioning and less breakage, and ylang-ylang oil to reduce shedding and stimulate natural sebum production to promote a healthy scalp. You will feel even more slip with this new version and even more moisture retention. This is perfect to use between full wash days to reset or refresh your hair, or to travel with to cut down on the amount of products you pack. And you will absolutely love the new scent of pink water lily, fresh mint, and bergamot. The Ultimate Hydrator Shampoo is that girl. This is the key to your regimen being elite. Not enough emphasis is put on shampoo, but it is a critical piece of your regimen. This sulfate-free Pillow Soft cleanser is made with essential vitamins, proteins, and oils to soften, nourish, and strengthen, and gently remove old product and outside pollutants from your strands. It is not just going to cleanse, it is going to repair. It has carrot seed oil, a nourishing antioxidant and emollient that stimulates hair growth, hydrolyzed wheat protein to add shine and volume and help strengthen and repair damage, and marshmallow root to improve elasticity and reduce breakage, all while combating dry and itchy scalp. When I say this is the ultimate hydrator, I mean it is the ultimate, absolute best product to get moisture into your strands while repairing and protecting. This cream-based shampoo detangles while it cleanses and smells of fresh linen, rose, and sandalwood. The Elasticity Restoring Treatment is your best friend. She is the girl that is ride or die. She protects you. She nurtures you. She gives you reassurance that everything is going to be better than all right. This is the partner to the Ultimate Hydrator Shampoo. This treatment is designed to restore protein moisture balance and repair the lipid barrier of your strands, which is essential for your hair to retain moisture, be less frizzy, and break less. It has more of that amazing hydrolyzed quinoa protein, which is the only protein with all 9 essential amino acids that act as natural strengtheners to protect the hair shaft while hydrating the scalp. It also has mangongo oil, a polyunsaturated fatty acid that forms a protective barrier on the cuticle to prevent moisture loss, increases natural luster, and helps protect against sun damage. And mango seed butter, a fatty acid that conditions, prevents moisture loss, and restores elasticity. Basically, this treatment is the holy grail of length retention. It is now 8 ounces instead of 6 and is packed with vitamin-rich, nutrient-dense, fortifying ingredients that make it efficient and effective. Including the first and new version, I've been using this deep treatment for over 5 years. My waist-length hair is the testimony here, and I cannot wait for you all to have a testimony of your own. Now let's get into the style side of the collection. Like before, you will have the curl primer, a styling potion, gel, and pudding, but these have all been reimagined. These formulas will feel different and perform better. The curl primer is a leave-in conditioning treatment that can be used on all hair types, locks, braids, and sew-ins to hydrate, nourish, and protect. This potent misting spray is made to detangle, hydrate and soften, reduce friction and breakage during styling, protects from UV radiation and environmental damage, and define curls and coils. It will also refresh your scalp, curls, braids, locks, and other styles. You can use this on pool days or long days outside to help protect your hair from damage. It is now 8 ounces instead of 6 and has a romantic blend of white amber, warm vanilla, and English lavender that you are going to love. The powerhouse trio of Abyssinian oil, grapeseed oil, and castor oil are going to strengthen, protect, and boost scalp circulation. The main difference in feel is the increased slip, supple hydration, and definition you will see. Over time, with consistent use, you will have hair that breaks less, retains more moisture, and is healthier. The styling potion is an easy-to-spread lotion that can be used as a leave-in conditioner base for layering or alone as a styler. It's loaded with healthy fatty acids, essential oils, and hydrating aloe juice to define curls and lock in moisture with a supple, smooth finish. It's got apricot oil, which contains omega-9 fatty acids to make hair softer and more manageable. Aloe leaf juice packed with vitamins A, C, E, and B12 to hydrate, strengthen, and soothe itchy scalp while promoting healthy growth, and meadow foam seed oil, which is a highly stable emollient that reduces frizz, detangles, and creates a smooth, silky finish. The difference you will see and feel is the moisture retention and definition. The clumping power is increased with incredible slip. This one is great for wash and goes, but can also be used to twist, rod set, or finger coil. The size is now 12 ounces instead of 6, and the blend of white amber, warm vanilla, and English lavender is going to woo you, and the definition is going to wow you. The next two stylers are perhaps the most improved of them all. The defining gel is now aloe-based and made to combat frizz by keeping atmospheric moisture out of your strands. It has flexible hold to allow your curls to move while holding them together. It has mangongo oil to form a protective barrier on the cuticle to prevent moisture loss and protect against sun damage, argan oil to reduce frizz, soften, and add shine, and hydrolyzed wheat protein to add volume and help strengthen and repair damage. The smooth jelly texture is going to allow it to spread easily through strands, and it can be used alone or layered with the curl primer and/or styling potion for extra definition and hold. I know some of you had issues with the previous gel producing fine dust-like flaking. I went in and used a different set of ingredients to hold that do not create the same casting effect as before, so that shouldn't be a problem anymore. Now, that's not to say go wild and slather it on, but it is way more hydrating due to the aloe juice base, more defining, and more forgiving on application than before. This gel is so amazing, I had to double the size for you from 6 to 12 ounces and give it a unique scent of lemongrass, eucalyptus, and warm vanilla. It is so fresh and clean. The smoothing pudding is a blend of hydrating and structured ingredients which make it a pudding that holds style while allowing for movement. This rich, thick cream will elevate your twist or braid outs, wash and goes, and rod sets with a beautiful smooth finish. It can also be used as a hairdress to smooth hair into ponytails. This new formula is made to nourish, hydrate, and protect during the manipulation of styling with aloe leaf juice, mango seed butter, and meadow foam seed oil. Like the gel, it's made to resist humidity and hold without flaking because of the aloe leaf juice base. It has a warm, romantic scent of white amber, warm vanilla, and English lavender, and is now 8 ounces instead of 6. What you will feel different is the silkier, smoother texture, the increased slip, and how well it sets and defines your styles. This one is designed to be used on its own, but it can be layered. I always recommend isolating stylers on first use to see how they do before layering a bunch of things together. I am going to set my hair under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes and then diffuse it the rest of the way. I will link all of the tools I like to use for this below this video. The proof of all the work I've done on these products is in the result. And as you can see, the new products are giving me very defined, shiny, hydrated, smooth, luscious curls. I was blown away when I did this comparison months ago with the final new formulas, and I'm just so glad I can share it with you all now. This time around, I wanted to get things exactly as I conceived them to be, which is why I am completely independent and not exclusively partnered with a retailer at this time. The scents have all been softened and reduced. I heard y'all on that. The stylers have been reimagined, reformulated to amplify their performance, and as always, the ingredients are top tier. My formulas are rather expensive. Even my chemist was like, "Girl, are you sure?" And of course I am. I'm not giving my people synthetic nonsense and fillers. These formulas are concentrated, so a little goes a long way. I attribute the results of the new formulas to working with a Black woman chemist. It's her lived experience that has allowed her to apply my notes in ways that my first non-melanated chem lab could not. I was determined to onboard a team with experiences that aligned better for what I want to deliver to you all and develop going forward in new products. I am never above redoing things when they need to be redone. All of my products are thoughtfully blended based on the science of hair with high-performing botanical extracts to nourish your hair and scalp, essential oils and butters to enhance manageability, and proteins to repair and improve elasticity, giving you hair that breaks less, retains more length, and is simply healthy. No random trends, no gimmicks. If you weren't in love with the first collection, give me another try. I took the feedback I received from the first collection very seriously. If you liked the first collection, get ready to fall in love. And if you loved the first collection, be prepared to be knocked off your feet. You'll never want to use anything else. For the last 11 years, I have been your healthy hair guide, and I take the health of your hair personally. I hope that you feel the love and care I put into this relaunch and know that I am honored to be part of your journey. Thank you all so much for trusting me with your hair care. I am truly humbled and feel blessed to be a blessing. On my website, you will find very detailed product descriptions, benefits, sizes, full ingredient list, FAQs, and pro tips for each product. You'll also find hair care bundles and tips and tutorials. You guys, please go to MoKnowsHair.com and click on the pages, read all the things. I spent a whole entire month building this site from scratch just for you. I will link you all to a live demo I hosted here on YouTube with a model of another hair type below. And you know I got you all covered. I have so much more content coming your way as we go forward, so you will see different hair types, density levels, and textures. And as always, you can find me on socials and get the new MoKnowsHair collection at MoKnowsHair.com.